Introduction. Pizza. Many people's favorite food all over the world. Many books were written on this subject with different levels of detail and accuracy. Many words were spent on these books, the most common of them being probably Naples and Dean Martin. Honestly, I can't really promise I will avoid those words myself. What I can promise instead is that you will know a lot more about pizza making after you read this book. Beware though, I'm not talking about the info you will find on the average Come Into My Kitchen blog or website, where you will find more or less the same recipe, very basic, not ideal. On the other hand, I think that you can't run if you don't learn to walk first. It wouldn't make too much sense to tell you about pre-ferments, high hydration, advanced kneading techniques and blah blah, if you still don't know the basics. I'm referring to little details, those usually overlooked things that make your baker's life easier and your pizza better, once you know them and once you put them in place. My goal is to let you know about all the things you should and you shouldn't do and why. I think that if you understand the logic behind, it's going to be easier to retain the information. I want to invite you to come with me inside a real pizzeria to enjoy the environment I worked in for a very long time. You will see what happens there, you will come back in your kitchen with your newly acquired knowledge, and you will be able to make the best possible pizza without the need to buy any tool or special ingredients.